So for this project, I chose global warming, and my name is Cameron. What is global warming? Global warming is a long-term warming of the planet's overall temperature due to human activities, primarily fossil fuels burning, which increases heat, tripping greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere. Global warming also causes and is the reason climate change happens. And then these are four pictures of global warming, like the fossil fuels at the top and like gas coming out. To the right of that is like global warming when it's really bad and the earth is like dying, and the other side is when global warming is not happening and the earth looks really good. And the bottom left is a picture of a guy where like maybe a house or something burned down because of global warming. And then the last one to the very bottom on the right is a polar bear and ice glacier, which is affecting him when he swims because he can't swim if there's all that ice. Why is it your interest? Global warming is in my interest because I want to know more about it. I barely know anything about it besides the basic knowledge that they taught us in grade school, which wasn't much, so I would like to know more about it. My current state of knowledge with global warming is that it increases the chances of more heavier, frequent rain and snowfall, which causes flooding. It also increases the chances of a drought in certain areas. Not only that, but global warming just doesn't affect us humans. It also affects animals and the way they survive, due to the temperature or such things as that. Controversies. There are many controversies when it comes to global warming. Here are a few. Is global warming actually happening or occurring? A lot of people may have a question about um, is it actually happening? How will they know if it's actually happening? So that's a controversy. The next one is what has caused global warming. Many people want to know what has caused it because they don't know what global warming is or like how it affects the earth. So that's another controversy. The third one is how much global warming has occurred over the years. We know that global warming has happened over the years, but how much has occurred over the years and how much has affected the earth because of global warming. And the last controversy is whether any action can or should be taken, and if so, what the action should be taken. Where are things going with global warming? So there are a few things going on with global warming, and they're not very good things, such as the droughts are lasting longer and are getting more extreme throughout the world. Like for Texas, it gets very hot here, and some years it can be like in 110 in the summer, and that is considered a drought because it's very hot. There's no breeze, it's just hot, and like you could barely breathe. The second one is tropical storms are becoming more severe and common of warmer because of warming ocean water temperature. For example, like the recent Hurricane Ian. That was a big tropical storm which messed up people's houses, roads, buildings. People lost jobs and all that. People have to get new houses because of this big hurricane caused by global warming. And the last one is the winter storm that happened in Texas a few years ago, which was caused by global warming. Which had a big effect on Texas houses because their houses aren't built for those type of temperatures. It also had a big effect on grocery stores and power, which caused food to go spoil. So in Texas, when it happened, that winter storm happened a few years ago, people lost power for multiple days. People couldn't drink water. They had to start boiling water. The stores were running out of food. They would lose power, so they would be closed for a few days, which caused meat and stuff in the frozen section to go spoil, all because of global warming. There's different ways you can help with global warming. How to help with global warming? You can help with global warming by recycling, reusing, and reducing. Recycling any plastic water bottles, glass, or grocery bags that you get from the store. Reusing things such as Tupperware cups, jars, etc. Like when you get those little plastic cups from restaurants, you can take them home and reuse them instead of throwing them away. Or Tupperware that you like put food in after, instead of just using that Tupperware one time, using multiple times just to help with global warming. And the last one, reducing. Reducing by how much trash we throw away. The more trash we throw away, the more like we affect global warming. So throwing less trash away and reusing and recycling can help with that. And that is my last slide. Thank you.